I'll take a water. Huh? You got what?
Miniature soda.
Oh, that's fine. Oh, I don't do sodas, but no sugar for me. I'm sweet enough, anyways. All right. So our fan is not moving. All right. Well, not for you to know, I guess. It all comes apart, though. Appreciate it. So here's your fan, and it should be running right now. This fan should be spinning. Everything looks good. Your evaporator looks nice. It's starting to ice over because the fan usually brings the warm air through this, and some of that air helps to melt the frost. And the fan running would have actually done that. But so we're gonna check for power, make sure that we are getting power. Sometimes you unplug these and plug them back in, or move it around, and it starts to work. So we're gonna check for power coming here, and if we have power here, then we need to replace the fan. So yeah, everything else looks pretty good. Nothing looks out of whack. Yeah, I have dogs. I have no problem with dogs. So we are getting power. Yeah, she's fine.
She wants to see who's here.
Oh, hey girl. Hey.
Who's here? Who's here?
Hey, what you doing? Oh, yeah, I know. Yeah, you smell my puppy? Yeah. Oh, you're a good girl. Oh. All right, so yeah, so we're gonna need to replace the fan. I don't think I can save this one, can I? Let's see if we can open her up. It's some WD-40. All right, so we have a Frigidaire top mount, and of course I'm trying to see if I can get this one going, but it doesn't work. We'll have to replace the fan, and that's how you would do it, by the way. You put your meter leads, set it to volts AC, and you will verify that you're getting proper voltage. On top of that, you want to make sure that you can feel or hear the fan blowing. When the compressor is running, your fan should be running. So that's one sign that you will know that your fan is working on your Frigidaire. All right, we're going to put it back in and check and see. But I know for sure, because I'm telling you guys, it did not work. All right, enjoy the rest of the short video. Thanks for watching. Definitely fixable, savable. So, yeah. How much you paid? Lies, and lies. Yeah, we're gonna replace the fan. So, yeah, fan motor. I have to run the number. I have no clue. But they're not expensive anymore. Less than $100, maybe even 60 or so. We'll see. I'll let you know.